Down here in Miami to speak at the PowWow event. It's a beautiful environment, a little rainy today, but we're here at the PowWow event to speak about why your SEO sucks. I'm going to take you inside and show you all of the vendors that have showed up in the conference. Quite a few people are here down in Miami, so we got a nice little sign there, PowWow Miami. So let's go on inside and see what's going on. So we've got Thrasio here, we've got Unibrands, Heyday, Feedback Wiz, quite a few different companies, AccrueMe, all the way down, conferences with Boots, Empire Flippers, Managed by Stats, Quartile, even throwing $100 bills on the ground to get some business, Refund Sniper, photography services with Prime Images, our good friends with Scott Needham and Smart Scout. Say hi for the channel, Scott. They're coming out with some cool stuff. We got CellerX. So it gives you a chance to feel like you've been down to the conference without actually having to go, right?
We have our very first speech by Rito Java. If you want to learn
An 8-fig. Optimizing engaging content. 9-yard. Elevate brands. And Sellerize. We got some cool stuff here. What do we got? Are these ties? Sweets.
Yeah.
Anybody wants a big box of cash? There you go. Azedia, hadn't heard of them. Divvy Partners. Empire Tax. More photography. And here's the lineup for today's speakers. We've got a lot of different speakers. We even got Norm, our friend Norm. We've had Ken Kubik on the podcast before. Even Kevin Sanderson's here. And there's yours truly at 4 p.m. I'll be speaking about why your SEO sucks. I'm really surprised they actually approved that topic name. Surprised that they approved that. Well, at least you get a little small feel of what it's like to go back to the Amazon conferences. So you feel like you're not missing out too much when you're staying at home. The different vendors in one shot, so you can see everybody that's coming to the Amazon PowWow.